Our award-winning Cell Revitalise Night Moisturiser is a wonderful addition to any evening skincare routine. In the world's largest consumer beauty survey, it came top of its category, beating 90 other night creams with a score of 9.5 out of 10. I often get asked how to layer your products at nighttime, so I wanted to share some of my tips with you. The Cell Revitalise Night Moisturiser can be layered in the evening over the Revitalising Glow Serum or Cell Repair Night Oil for a completely decadent routine. If you have very dry skin, the latter might work best for you. Richer than the day moisturiser, this night cream contains rosehip oil and avocado oil alongside some of our signature botanicals like Baobab, Kigelia Africana and Mongongo oil, and not forgetting our precious probiotic ingredients. The soothing, relaxing blend of Neroli, Lavender, Rose and Mandarin helps to calm you before bed. You'll wake up with luminous, dewy and radiant skin even after the first use. With such success with awards, see what our customers and the press say about our night moisturiser. Apply to the face, neck and décolletage and massage in to allow the beautiful product to absorb into the skin.